mga day. Garbage day today. Tuesday here. Look.
What, she gone now?
No, not yet.
What? There's no garbage?
No, not yet. Still have garbage. Just many garbage. Well, she's gone now.
You said she was
Yeah. Yeah, I saw her hanging her clothes outside ba. Maybe she left yesterday afternoon because that was morning. Yeah, mga say out tayo sa dogs natin mga say. Uy, basta tayo. Mahangin, very nice. Ay, kahit na mainit ang panahon, basta mahangin, okay ra. Okay mga say, malapit na tayo dito mag-ano mga say, malamig mga say, mga by October, November, start na. Busog ko mga say, busog ko sa breakfast namin, yung ano, yung kirain ko pa yung wala na banana cake with milk, then later na tong anong brunch namin, lunch na namin yung sandwich ba, bacon, mozzarella, grilled cheese sandwich mga say, later na to mga say, kasi busog mo ko sa dalawang slice na banana cake. Nabalik namin ba?
here.
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Let's go, Lexi. Hi! Ay, init mga jay.
See, you
Eh.
got the board down.
Init mga jay, but yeah. Mainit but windy ba? No more naman, no more.
Put the boards down.
I did not tell if it's sold or not. Init mga jay, init. Init eh. Timing po ba ano gikaon, mahilis na gikaon ba? Ay, busog ay ko dala.
Come here.
Nanda ating eggplant mga jay. We'll see. Ay. Here. The egg will put it in mga jay.
What?
Look at there. Very big. You don't have slipper. There also very big now. The other one there. See, look. See?
Where?
Look at, yeah. Ooh, look at that.
I don't see.
There. Yeah, there.
Where?
There. Other side, other side.
I don't
Yeah, that one, that down.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Ooh. And where's the other one?
Here. Under the base.
Under?
Base here. Here. There.
Huh?
Here.
Where?
There. Up, the base here. I see it there, maybe. It's here. See, look.
Oh, there. Ooh, yeah. That's a big one too.
Bigger, but that's bigger than the side view there.
Yeah. Wow. Oh. My God. We're ready to go.
Ready to go. That one there, ready to go. That one, no.
Huh?
More days.
How many? 4 days?
Friday. Look, the bag they won't eat that one.
No, they don't. I don't think they will eat that.
Or something lizard. Yeah.
You're pinching the hose. The kink.
We will see the will see the Jai. Tapos natin ang ating mga Jai, oh. Eggplant natin mga Jai. Look mga Jai, how big our eggplant. Yan na. Meron pala mga Jai, oh. Meron pa mga Jai, ay. Ha. Meron pa mga Jai, oh. See? Another eggplant there. Meron pa yung bulak, be. Another flower here. Wow, white flower. Different varieties of mga siya. Ito mga big flower. Ay, nalaya mga flower dyan. Dagpo kayo. I don't know. Lemon mga Jai. Ay, lime. Sige, listen, oh. Iguana. Look. Other one there too. 3 big, mga Jai, 3 big, and this small coming out. Other one here, oh, see. And there you go. Dami mga small mga Jai, hopefully madayon ba. Sabi small, oh. Flowers. Ay, nagmawar mga Jai. Oh. Tapos na tayo. Update ng ating garden. Yan. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Ha.
Few moments later.
Mazay, ano kaya ang mazay? Ika, hinit ba ya? Ay, dere. Ito ay. Ito pa mazay. Ay, ay, mga Jai. Ito sa mait na lugar mga Jai. Hay, full naman doon mga Jai. Oh, full na oh. Traffic mga Jai. Traffic ba? Matagal kami ano? Traffic. Matagal kami na dumating ba kasi traffic man kami good. Nandun na sa Kilton ay. Ang karating lang din Kilton. Ano ay, Kilton oh. Yan, sa Hilton yan, oh. See? Init ito mga Jai, uy. Sabi ka init pan. Ay, ay, ay. Ano pa na yan mga Jai kasi init mo eh. Band na ka sa init, oh. Look mga Jai, oh. Init, oh. 6 o'clock na ng hapon mga Jai. 6 o'clock na, look at. Taas pa ng araw, oh. 6 o'clock na ng hapon pero ang araw is ano pa rin, mataas pa. Ay, late kami mga Jai. Nag-late kami mga Jai. Hindi kami nakarating dito kasi traffic man. History din na. Traffic din kami. Back to school naman. Good. Back to school na ba? Yan. Kaya, kaya magawa mga Jai. Kaya na kami. Dito kami nakapark. So, supposed to be diyan. Diyan. Line up diyan. Diyan. Ito mga cars na yan. Diyan kami. Yan, una pa namin sa kuha ng mga ilang minuto siguro. Traffic man. Kaya update tayo mamaya mga Jai. Pagdating sa ano. Sa SB tayo magkita-kita mga Jai. Hindi ko yung na-update kayo na nung papunta kami dito sa ano. Kasi pag ano namin dito, paglabas kami ng bahay, sumuulan man. Hindi ako naka-video kasi umuulan. Marami pa akong dala-dala. Mga Jai, no? Kaya, yan. Jai! Ay, 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 Lorraine, Lorraine. Ambulance mga Jai, oh. Ambulancing. Mga Jai, yellow car, sing. Yellow car, yellow car, yellow car. It's a yellow truck pala. Yellow truck. Uy, one only car. One only door. Same as our. Yeah. Ito yung mga Jai. Wala sa ambulance mga Jai. Ay, ito. Doon na. Na-deliver naman yan ng ano mga Jai, pasyente. Malapit na tayong tapos ito mga Jai. Supposed to be yesterday kami pumunta ng ano, ng store. Pero di man, ito kasi late naman kami mga Jai. Close na ba ng ano. 9 man mag-close tapos 8 something na kami. So, hindi na kami na pumunta yesterday na ano, na store. Today. Tapos ito mga Jai, punta tayo sa store. Bili kami ng bananas, at saka ano ba yun, eggs. What else? Nanguli sa tayo mga Jai. Tinago ko yung aking lista mga Jai. Bibilihin natin ito dun sa store. Bananas. We have here bread. Eggs, butter. What's this one? Bananas and water. Yan ang ating, ito ang ating bilhin mamaya mga Jai. Punta tayo sa store. Kaya, bigla ko na listahan na yung mga Jai, pero di na malimot ba? Sometimes malimot agad. Yan mga Jai. Yan mga Jai. Yung update. Tapos tayo matapos, pero punta pa tayo sa store. Iyon na ba ako mga Jai, pero hindi na ako pumasok ng mga Jai. Kaya see you sa store mga Jai. Mag-delete ako mga video para maka-video tayo doon sa store. See you later. Bye for now. See you sa store. No, yung cabbage na ko, babe. Where did you get the cabbage? No more cabbage na. No more cabbage. I'm looking for a cabbage. Cabbage. Uy! Yeah. Nothing here, man. Nothing. Cabbage. Bata ko din ko anak eh. Ito cabbage. Uy. Cabbage. Wala man sila cabbage. Cabbage. What? Yeah. Ako the cabbage da. I didn't see cabbage this time. Hi, cabbage. That is cabbage over there, right?
Got carrots.
Here. Yeah. Pick the light one, light. Yeah, light but a light. Not so much heavy, but the big but light.
They're all heavy.
They're all heavy, no? I think this one. I think this one's a little big. This one?
Okay.
Yeah.
Potato.
Thunder mga Jai. Thunder. Tugnaw na ba kay ko? Hala. Bananas, water, eggs. Oh, yay, big. Ay, ay, ay. Go down here. With the green one. Green, green, green. Fork. Red. Four. Yay. Heavy. I got four. Need one of that. Yay. That one. Yeah. Oh, that is
Right.
Yeah.
These are right.
Yeah, for tomorrow. Wait. I got one there. Get this one, huh? Yeah. Yeah, same, oh. See, same.
I had pork belly this morning.
No, that works, but that... The rain is very strong. Heavy rain. Eggs. That's here in our list.
Who else?
Eggs, butter, bananas, and water. Butter.
Butter.
Yeah, butter and eggs. Eggs first. Eggs, pasture. That one that you like to get. Pasture.
Which one?
Hey! Mosquitoes man. Country quacking. Let's go to the pork.
Who?
Pork.
Who?
Let's go to the pork.
Who? So this way the pork.
Potato. Potato sticks.
Potato sticks.
Poultry. Chicken. Oh, now I'll be away. It's cold. Pork belly. There. Ano ba? Tara, babe. Pork belly, babe. Oh.
Come on, you don't get it.
So, mga Jai, nasa bahay na tayo. Nasa atin na sister mga Jai. Yan. Punta yung celery. Sige, ano mga Jai doon? Meron tayong cabbage. Sabi mga Jai. Pears. Pears mga Jai. Pears. Dalawang avocado. Meron tayo here. Boneless pork chops. Mga Jai. Boneless pork chops. And pork belly for our adobo. Pork belly. We have here eggs mga Jai. Eggs. Bananas. Ano ang bananas din? Ay, patay. Nabungkag ang bananas.
Careful with my
Bananas. Careful of your bananas. Bananas. Napulda na nasalay.
And?
Bananas. And we're done. Sweet potatoes natin mga Jai. Oh. Tako yung mga Jai. Oh. Sweet potatoes. Kamote natin mga Jai. Kamote. We have here butter. And another butter. Another kind of butter. Butter. Ito lang mga Jai. And milk. And water. Milk natin. Milk. And dalawang big na water. Gallon of water. Yeah, that's it mga Jai. So now, put this on here.
Just,
Huh?
yeah.
This one? Freezer?
What?
Freezer, this one?
Oh,
Oh, here? Same here?
uh,
Top? Here?
okay, that's good then. Right now.
Yeah. This one.
Celery and tobacco.
Celery. Cabbage, my cabbage. Put this down. Together with the carrots. Two carrots. Let's say two carrots here. See, so many lemons here. Lime para lime. And then the pears. Pears natin. That's it mga jay. Yan. Ating. Yan mga jay. Paano mga jay? Hungry and sleepy. Okay mga jay, mga guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and set notification for more updates. Thank you so much mga guys. I'm Pinka Makanunay, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.